Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the baby's weight and appropriate clothing so temperature and fit are safe. Next, loosen the shoulder straps and unclip the chest piece so you have range to work. While holding the carrier center at your waist, fasten the waist buckle and tighten until snug and level with your hips. This transfers weight to your core. Once done, make sure the panel hangs ready to accept the baby and that you can reach all buckles comfortably. You lift the baby high and close so their head is near your chin. This keeps airway safe and helps you gauge fit. Once seated, guide each leg through the openings and arrange the fabric so the baby's knees are slightly higher than their bottom to form an ergonomic M. Now tighten both shoulder straps evenly, clip the chest strap to stabilize, and pull excess slack until the baby is snug, but you can still slide a flat hand between you. You finish by doing a quick safety check. Ensure the baby's face remains visible, their chin is off their chest, and you can kiss their head. Then inspect all straps for twists and locked buckles. Make sure most of the weight rests on your hips, not just your shoulders. If the carrier feels loose or the baby sits too low, red-tighten the waist and shoulder straps and reseat the baby. If persistent sagging occurs, add a lumbar pad or check buckle engagement to resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.